What's crack-a-lackin' TJ Unboxed? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I have the brand new iPhone 12 Pro for us to unbox. I just picked this up from the Apple Store and I have yet to turn it on and open it and everything, but here's the box. And as you can see, it is just so thin, like ridiculously thin. This is like not an Apple product, it just looks weird. This is mainly because they got rid of a lot of the internals. They got rid of like the headphones, the USB brick, and that took up a lot of room, so it is thinner. Although I had to buy a new brick and other things. So it's really not saving them much for the environment, but enough speaking, let's just open this up so I can get started. Okay, so the main reason that I went with the 12 Pro instead of the 12 is because of the extra camera, and the base model storage on the 12 Pro is like the mid-range of the regular 12, and there's only a $100 price difference between those two, and that's honestly the main reason. But here we go, we have the, oh, that is nice. I'm not like, I'm an Apple fanboy, but like this is pretty sick. And oh, nice. The paper has like little icons to show you if this is like your first iPhone. It shows that this is power, this is the mute, this is the volume, but that's pretty nice. Wow. That feels like the old iPhone, like the iPhone 5s, I think, just like the side corner. Well, I already have fingerprints on the side. That's gonna be rough, but I am upgrading from my original iPhone X. This is my first iPhone. I did have like an Apple iPod, but this is my first phone, and it's the iPhone X, and it's treated me very well, and the processor has been able to keep up to the current times, but I think the upgraded RAM and other internals, and upgraded screen and the size will be a good improvement. I did skip out on the 11th generation, and I'm upgrading to the 12 Pro. But enough speaking about it. Let's just peel that off. Oh, the screen is so much bigger than my X. Okay, let me power it on. So included, we do have our lightning port to USB-C. I do not like that. I did also have the MagSafe. I bought this and it came a little bit earlier, and I picked this up from the Apple Store. And all we have is the SIM card, a super simple, super thin. I think this is like the thinnest instructions ever. And then a single Apple sticker, and that's all that's in the box. But here we go with our instructions. Oh, the welcome screen, and then this is my phone, just so you can see the comparison. This is the X, this is the new 12 Pro, and it is quite a bit bigger. English, United States, it is fast. This feels so weird. It does, is it, how much thicker is it? I believe that it said that this is thinner than this X, but it feels a little bit thicker. Maybe it's because it doesn't have the bezels. Oh, nice. It came up with the setup new iPhone. Unlock this, unlock to continue. This is so weird. It already has the 5G icon at the top corner. I do have T-Mobile, and T-Mobile has a very big, like broad 5G band, so I should be able to get it. And also I checked the maps. I'll have a link down below. You can check your own area to see if you have 5G coverage in your neighborhood or your work or wherever you're commuting, so you know if it's a good decision for you. But this triple camera array is gonna be awesome with its telephoto, wide and ultra wide. It also does have a LiDAR in case I ever wanna do anything with AR or anything else like that. So yeah, and I do have iCloud, so everything's stored up there, so I was planning on trading this in right away, but I need to mail that in instead. Okay, enough talking. One thing that I did do, I did order a third-party case because the iPhone cases are $50, and a piece of plastic with like a simple magnetic coil should not cost that much. Okay, enter the password of your other phone. It is quite a bit bigger, like the screen size is noticeably bigger. But yeah, the stainless steel on the side looks really cool. I did prefer this over the aluminum, but it is going to be a fingerprint magnet, as I can already see. My fingerprints are just sticking. And there are a couple weird antenna bands on the side that people have already started complaining against. Honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I think it's just cool having those little notches because a lot of data is being transmitted through those. But it said it may take a few minutes to activate my new iPhone. I am digging the look of this. I think it's graphite. It's the color for the iPhone 12 Pro, but it does really match my MacBook Pro. It's a little bit darker on the phone, but hopefully you can see the difference between the two. Oh, one thing that we can check really quick is just the hockey puck MagSafe charger. Just see how strong the magnets are. That's pretty strong. Yeah, that's not horrible. I know people have the wallet and you set up Face ID. Hopefully I look pretty. Okay, so now it's transferring all the data. I'm deciding to transfer it through the iCloud so I'll be able to use my phone a little bit quicker and we can test it out and do some cool things. And I'm saying I'm really passionate about the cameras because I am a photographer and I do make YouTube videos, as you can tell. So being able to have this triple camera array should be pretty awesome. So it's finishing the setup on my new phone. But okay, so MagSafe, let's talk a little bit more about that because I was pretty excited about that. So what I might do, I'm gonna do a couple of videos on this phone comparing the MagSafe, talking about 5G, talking about the camera ability, capabilities. I'm also going to be creating an entire Skillshare class about photography on the iPhone, so if you want to check that out, I'll have a link down below. With my link, you'll get 15 days for free. But one thing that I might want to check is the amount of force that it can take to pull this off. One thing that's different about the MagSafe charger, the hockey puck, versus some of the other accessories is the fact that it has this really big rubber grip, and this honestly on its own is sticking a lot to the iPhone without the magnets. So I'd like to say that this is kind of cheating compared to like maybe the wallet or a case in the future, but yes. So it does seem to already have cellular connection, so I might be using the digital SIM, or I might need to do my own. We'll see. Because both of these phones have reception, which is kind of weird. I wish it would just automatically do this, but I have to go through all my cards. All right, now it is restoring from the iCloud. So I set up like Siri, my Apple Watch should connect automatically, and everything else should be good. So yeah, overall, this is just a very beautiful phone. It does feel quite, like, I don't know, it's heavier, and the battery life is gonna be better compared to my X, but it is quite a bit heavier, and it feels a little bit bigger because of these sides. I think because this has the curve on the X, and these are so sharp and so flat, that's probably why it feels a little bit thicker. But I don't know, I kind of like feeling it in my phone. It feels nice and secure. So we'll have to see over time. But this was it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back for the next video when I actually do a full in-depth test and we try out some of the cool features that have come with the iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.